Hello, in this video I will show you how to buy Peep coin on Coinbase wallet. Now it's an extremely easy process, so what you have to do is just simply open your browser, then open your Coinbase. So over here what you have to do is just simply open a decentralized exchange platform, which you can open directly from the Coinbase platform, or just simply search on a new tab Uniswap and then open that particular website, because this is a decentralized exchange where you can buy Peep coin. So you can open this website directly from the platform over here, or you can just simply type uniswap.org, as you can see right over here. Now after that, click on launch app, and the first thing that you have to do is you have to make sure that your Coinbase account is connected with your Uniswap account. As you can see, my account is already connected, so let me just disconnect it. Now to connect, just simply click on connect, then Coinbase wallet, then your wallet will pop up, enter your password, then click on unlock, then connect, and just like that the wallet will be connected. Now once that is done, make sure that you have some amount of Ethereum in your account. As you can see, my balance is currently 0, but you should have some amount of Ethereum, because Ethereum is needed in order to buy Peep coin. You can also have USDT, that will also work. Now over here, just simply first select a token, so click on select token and enter the name of the token, then choose Peep coin. After that, just simply enter the amount of how much you want to buy. Let's say for example, I want to buy Peep coin for 0.05 Ethereum. Now wait for a few seconds and it will give you the estimate of how much you will be getting Peep coin. As you can see right over here, it will show you how much it will cost you right over here. Now if you have sufficient balance in your Ethereum, you can directly click on swap right over here, and then you can just simply complete the transaction with your debit card or credit card or any other payment method that is available right over here. So after that, you should receive your Peep coin in your Coinbase wallet within a few minutes. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.